Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you what to do if some keyboard keys aren't working. First, check if your keyboard is properly connected. Right. Also, determine if it's a software issue. If it's software related, we can try to fix it. First, there's the on-screen keyboard. Use it temporarily until we solve the issue. Next, ensure your keyboard is connected. Open the device manager. You'll see keyboards listed here. Check that your keyboard is connected. Okay, try updating the drivers. If that doesn't work, reset Windows to a previous restore point. Search for recovery and click. Here you can access system recovery files and create a restore point. I recommend doing this. Again, search for recovery. Go to recovery options and reset your PC using Troubleshoot. This might help too. You can also search for Windows Troubleshoot settings and click Advanced Troubleshooting. Click on keyboard and run the troubleshooter to fix keyboard issues. That's all for now. This has been Velour. See you next time.